I'm going to show you how to receive multiple values from Firebase in a simplified form exactly like this. Hello guys and welcome to Master Coding channel. In this tutorial we are going to receive multiple values from Firebase in a simplified form. So we will get every single value in a specific form. So let's begin. We have previously in videos creating an app that receives the data from Firebase in not a simplified form. So we are having troubles of getting the values from it. So we have received like this. This block. We have v1 its value and v2 and its value. So we need to get them in a simplified form. So in order to do that, remember we are going to use the data snapshot. But that very important trick in this video is having to make a for loop in order to get the values, in order to get each snapshot instance as a separate one and get the value from it. Okay, for that we are going to first check if the data snapshot is getting the value. Data snapshot dot get value does not equal to null. Okay, if does not equal to null, we are going to create a for loop. This is a for each loop. So we are going to create data snapshot data snapshot. For each snapshot we are going to loop and get the children from inside this loop. For that we are going to create a new string depending upon what type of data you are using cast to it. So string k equal and plus snapshot dot get value. So we see in the previous videos snapshot dot get value will get a single value. Now the trick is making a for loop that will loop inside the data snapshot and get the value from it for every single value that have been added. Now log.v, and we are going to create taggy and space and getting the k string. Okay, let's run and see the magic. Look at waiting for the tag. Okay, it's 1G, and amazing guys, we have created this very complex app, this $1 million app. Just kidding. Making this app and understanding the concepts of Firebase is very important, and it's your first step in the 1,000-mile journey in coding. So remember, the keys of success is making and understanding the basics very well. So I intended, and my intention was making separate videos about Firebase with exactly the topic and not mixing the topics with together. So if you understand this, hit like and comment below. If you don't understand, we are here to help you, and we can repeat, and you can make new videos for that and help you privately or using emails or contacting us. Now, Just one thing I want to show you that we are looping here to get every snapshot. We're getting the value. So you may ask if I want to get the keys. So I can write get key and you guess the log will type v1 and v2 and hooray, this is the magic. Thank you guys. I hope you understand the keys, the value, the data snapshot, and how Firebase is using the key value concept. So remember, we were working till now toward this video. We are working with the value event listener. In the next videos, we are going with another one, child event listener. Thank you guys. I hope you subscribe and comment below and join our Udemy courses and you can get the coupon from below. Thank you guys. I hope you be safe from corona and other diseases. See you next videos.